So what I did on these aspens, I put our normal puck lights for uplighting, and they're running about 30%. But you know, you got taller trees out there, so we've got a new version coming out that's going to be available in about a week or so, and it is incredibly bright. Bright is not the word to describe it, maybe ultra bright. So it's really designed for the trees that are 30, 40, 50 feet in height that just want uplighting, and they're going to do a great job. Not all spotlights are created equal. Our spotlights, I can grab them at any time. They're cool to the touch. Anytime you got a light fixture that's hot, it's wasted energy. This little sucker puts out a ton of light. This tree is approximately 80 feet tall. And we're going to show you some pictures here when it gets a little bit darker to show you how much light this puts out. It's a phenomenal unit. It's really the best one on the market, hands down. These are our new pathway lights for 2018. It's a new design. I like it because it's got the polycarbonate dome down here, which has a nice glowing effect to it. Believe it or not, they're running at 30%. Puts out plenty of light. We're at dusk right now. I think it's a great, simple, compact design.